Azvi is a company with more than 100 years of history, which forms part of the heritage and development of the railway in Spain. Its bond with the railways began at the end of the 19th century with one of its first projects, the station at San Bernardo in Sevilla in 1901. Throughout its history, Azvi has taken part in numerous projects for the construction and maintenance of more than 2,000 kilometers of track. Spain has got the largest high-speed rail network in Europe, only surpassed worldwide by China. Azvi has played an important role in the development of the Spanish high-speed rail, since work began on the first line between Madrid and Sevilla, inaugurated in 1992, in which Azvi built more than 150 kilometers. Since then, Azvi has built more than 450 kilometers of high-speed railway lines on 34 sections of the 11 lines that form the Spanish high-speed rail network. One of the most important sections that Azvi has built is at the Contreras Dam. This is part of the Madrid-Valencia high-speed rail line, whose most emblematic structure is the viaduct over the Contreras Dam, which measures 587 meters. This is an arch bridge measuring 261 meters in span and with a 37-meter boom, the record in Spain and Europe for a concrete arch railway bridge. Another outstanding piece of engineering is the connection for the Madrid-Levante and Madrid-Sevilla lines by means of two railway branches with a single track for each direction, constructed 30 kilometers away from Madrid. The Y Vasca in the north of Spain is another of the most significant lines that Azvi has been involved with, building 4 sections. Worthy of special attention is the section between Amorebieta, which measures 5 kilometers in length and integrates 5 viaducts and 5 tunnels, which account for almost 75% of the length of the section. One of the most important engineering challenges was the construction of the Pajares tunnels on the León-Asturias line. Azvi formed part of the construction group for the 10.4-kilometer West Tunnel. A TBM with a diameter of 9.8 meters was used to carry out the construction work. At the time of their construction, they were the 6th largest tunnels in Europe and the 7th largest in the world. Also worthy of mention are structures such as the viaduct at Archidona, which measures 3,150 meters and is the longest railway viaduct in Europe thanks to its hyperstatic span length, and the Arroyo del Valle viaduct measuring 1,848 meters in length and with a central arch whose span measures 132 meters, was at the time the 3rd largest arch in the world and the first in Spain with these characteristics. As well as infrastructure and superstructures, Azvi has also built assembly bases, discharge, stacking and material transference logistical centres, and gauge switches to facilitate rail traffic between standard and Iberian gauge lines. Azvi has carried out numerous renovation projects to improve the existing railway infrastructures, not only in Spain but also in countries such as Brazil, Mexico and Romania. Amongst the most noteworthy projects are those aimed at increasing travelling speeds, track duplications and signalling and safety systems. Just as important as the construction of the infrastructure are the maintenance works performed on the high-speed rail and conventional lines. These preserve the infrastructure and track in normal conditions and ensure the safety of railway traffic. Azvi currently carries out maintenance works on more than 1,000 kilometers of track in Spain. The construction of lines 1 and 2 of the Malaga Underground, the railway access to Madrid-Barajas Airport, the urban light train at Boadilla del Monte, tramways in Alicante, Seville or Rio de Janeiro and Fortaleza. All these endorse Azvi's experience in the carrying out of all kinds of urban transport projects. Aside from all of this technical experience acquired over the years, Azvi has on hand a highly qualified team and the railway machinery to provide solutions to any challenges appearing during the course of the work. Azvi's innovation and commitment to procedures for quality standards, safety and respect for the environment guide the development of our projects and our company ethos. For more than a decade, Azvi has been operating in different countries in Latin America, Eastern Europe and the Middle East. It has put its experience and knowledge at the service of its clients and shared it with local partners to build sustainable infrastructures that contribute to the development of the railway and to the societies that use them.